Hello, welcome back everyone. For our next portion of our video series here on sleep and wellness, we are going to be talking about some relaxation techniques as well as what cognitive behavioral therapy is, and how these things can, if implemented, can help to improve your overall sleep quality. It's a little overview of what we're going over today. So we're going to be hitting on meditation first, and then going to talk a little bit about yoga, and then rounding it out with cognitive behavioral therapy. And then our last portion is just going to be some recommended apps that we like that could improve your overall experience with any of these uh, techniques.
Okay, we're going to start off with meditation. So, meditation decreases the repetitive and intrusive thoughts, making it easier to relax and fall asleep. It helps manage emotional responses, and it's actually a non-pharmaceutical option for those who don't want to use sleep medications. And overall, they provide lasting improvements in sleep quality. So, essentially, meditation is a practice that helps the mind relax and alleviate any negative thinking patterns and reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with sleep. Studies have shown that meditation significantly enhances sleep quality compared to other non-specific interventions, offering a non-pharmaceutical option for those who can't tolerate or don't want to use sleep medications. And overall, it should have a great positive effect on sleep. And one of the key things is to be persistent over time. And it has shown to have lasting improvements in sleep quality. So, next up, we're going to show you a video for a simple yet effective meditation technique.
Here's a cheat code for falling asleep faster. It's called the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and breathe out for 8 seconds. Well, it's good for falling asleep and for anxiety. Works every time.
Okay, we of course encourage you to try out this simple yet effective meditation technique. And now this brings us to our first question. True or false, meditation can help improve sleep quality by reducing ruminative thoughts?
All right, so our next topic is going to be yoga. So, yoga really helps to decrease the number of arousals during sleep, kind of leading more to a restful night's sleep and hoping to improve overall sleep quality. It reduces anxiety and depression symptoms, which are often associated with sleep disturbances. So, if you're having extreme anxiety or any type of depressive symptom, that does add stress to your day and can absolutely take away from your sleep quality at night, which can in turn, you're getting better sleep. It's hoping to improve your emotional health over time. It The physical portion of it is really useful too. Just by setting up these postures and different stretches, it can help to take some tension off of the body and can really help you get to sleep quicker when you start at night. And we do have a clip here just with some kind of beginner poses that can help you point you in the right direction and get you started if you're interested. Right. So we have our next question here. Yoga is only effective for physical fitness and has no mental health benefits. True or false?
Okay, moving on to cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT. So, what is CBT? It's a type of psychotherapy that focuses on changing unhelpful or unhealthy thoughts and behaviors. And so, one of the ways to do this is limiting time in bed to increase the sleep drive. And it's also recommended only use the bed for sleep and sexual activity. Essentially, the reason why we do this is, for example, if you're currently watching this video in your bed or you do homework or any type of work in your bed, your mind tends to get very anxious or stressed out because it's also associating your bed with what should be a workplace. So it's been shown that if you have separate areas to work on things and a separate area to just sleep, it's supposed to calm the mind. Now, it's also recommended or helpful to change your negative thoughts about sleep to positive ones. So essentially, CBT helps patients identify and challenge irrational or unhelpful thoughts. And the behavioral part, which involves changing behaviors that contribute to the problem. CBT is goal oriented, structured. It's usually short term, so it is accessible and practical for many people. It has been successfully used to treat various conditions, including depression, anxiety, and insomnia, which you should know about from our previous videos. And overall, it gives a very empowering feeling for patients, and it helps them have healthier thinking patterns and coping strategies. So, moving on to, I believe, our last question for this video. True or false, CBT helps patients identify their irrational and or unhelpful thoughts.
All right. And we do have three apps today that we recommend that you check out pertaining to these subjects. Our first one is going to be Calm. This is something that can kind of set the mood for your sleep, give you a nice guided meditation, really just help to relax you overall during your day. Headspace is one of the most popular guided meditation apps as well. This one is a really good one to check out if you're looking to start in meditation here. It can help get you started. And then this is one of our favorite yoga apps. It's called Down Dog. And it's a starts off it's got a free portion of the app that allows you to get some beginner yoga experience, and then as you slowly work your way up, then um, you'd be able to do more, strenuous poses and stretches of that nature through that app. And thank you all for your time today. You can go ahead and take a screenshot here and submit this for your extra credit along with these questions. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you again.